everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Walt Disney World travel day vlog. If you're new around here, hello, my name is Mackenzie and I'm heading to Disney World with my family for a 7-day Disney World trip that I could not be more excited about. If you don't know, I'm heading to Disney World with my husband Bryce, with my mom, my dad, my sister Madison, and then my Uncle Shane and Uncle Mikey are also joining us, so there's 7 of us going. It's been a trip that we've been planning for over 2 years now, just trying to find the right time where everyone could go and then booking the trip and waiting for it to come, and now it's finally here, which is why I love travel day so much, because it's just so exciting and all that anticipation has built up and it's finally happening now. So technically our travel day starts tomorrow, but I wanted to pop on and go ahead and intro this vlog series and this vlog now because we are actually leaving. Our flight departs at 6 a.m. so we're getting to the airport at about 4, and I just did not think I was gonna have the energy to pop on and intro this vlog then. So we're actually staying in the city we're flying out of. We drove in tonight and we're 5 minutes away from the airport, and where my husband and I live, we would have been a 2-hour drive away. So we're gonna get a little extra rest tonight, which I think will be great. And then tomorrow we will be heading to Orlando and heading to Disney, and we're gonna be checking into our hotel. We're staying at Pop Century, which I'm so excited to see it with all the Christmas decorations. We're gonna be there for my sister's birthday. It's my Uncle Shane's first time at Disney. There's just so much that's exciting about this trip, and I cannot wait to take you guys along. So be sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss all the Disney vlogs coming soon. But with that being said, I think now I'm just gonna kind of make sure I have all of our stuff together, charge all the little things that need to be charged last minute, and get ready to head to Disney tomorrow. So you guys just sit back, grab a snack, and enjoy a Walt Disney World travel day vlog. And I will see you guys bright and early in the morning when we are heading to the airport and starting our travel journey to Disney World. Yay! Okay, good morning everyone. We have made it to the airport. We are here bright and early. It is 4:54. Our flight board's in, let's see, what does that say? I can't read. 55 minutes. So we got our bags checked in. We got us some Starbucks. Madison, what'd you get?
Got my usual white chocolate iced mocha.
I think we're gonna go hit up Chick-fil-A in just a second, get some breakfast, and then we're gonna be heading to Orlando. Madison, how are we feeling?
I'm excited, but I'm also a little tired, so I think once this coffee hits,
yeah, I think I'm gonna need to wake up on the flight a little bit.
It'll take a nap.
Maybe, yeah, take a nap to be like wide awake when we get there. So I'm so excited to head to Orlando. I can't believe this trip is finally here. The fam's all here in front of us. We got some good energy right here. Look at that, the guys. We got mom down there trying to figure out her Southwest app.
Figure out dad's Southwest
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we're gonna be heading to Disney World so soon. I can't wait. I'm glad it's a direct flight too, because that way we'll just get there. We'll be at MCO. We're gonna be meeting up with my Uncle Shane and Uncle Mikey. It's just gonna be a great trip.
It is.
You ready to go?
Excited. I'm excited.
Let's go to Orlando.
We'd like to welcome you to Orlando.
It's already chaos. It is already chaos, but we've made it. Here's the group of 7 that will be at Disney World together. We got Madison, Mikey, my dad, my mom, Shane, and then Bryce in the back towering over us all. As you can tell, he married into the family. Anyway, we are about to head to the Mears Connect to start our journey to Disney World. I can't believe we're here. Woo! So to get to Mears Connect, you're gonna go down to Terminal B to the ground transportation. We're gonna head down a couple escalators and then we will be there. But I'm really excited. Oh, look at the little Christmas decorations. Oh, how cute. We booked our Mears Connect a couple of weeks ago, and then right when I was on the flight, they sent me a little QR code to scan in. They're really great with like the communication. They sent me one at 24 hours and then one today, so I didn't have to keep up with it. We're gonna go check in and head on board the Mears Connect to head to Pop Century. Oh, there are the prices for Mears right there, and this is where you check in. You just bring the barcode and they scan it for you and tell you what line to get into. Super easy. Dad, you look so happy.
I am.
You're ready to be here. You love taking the Mears Connect, huh?
I love it.
It's nice and relaxing. We don't have to do anything.
No
They help.
driving.
Yeah, they help you with the luggage, so that way Bryce
Just
doesn't
get on
have
the
to
bus and go.
handle all of it. Just get on the bus and go. That should be their motto.
Yeah.
Love it. You should be a salesperson for Mears. All right, we have made it on board the Mears Connect now. I got my magic band on. Do you have yours? Oh, there it is. There it is. We're so excited. So it took us about 15 minutes to get on the bus, and then we're just waiting for it to fill up. There will be a couple of stops before Pop Century probably. It just kind of depends on the order that they go in.
Usually just the ones around.
Like close to Pop. I think it was like Riviera, Art of Animation, Caribbean Beach, and then Pop.
So you get to see
Not in that order. We'll
So
see.
you get to see all of the other resorts.
Yeah, we like doing that. So we're just gonna enjoy the Mears Connect. I cannot believe we're here. Has it hit you yet?
No.
No. Me
Usually
either.
when we pass the sign.
Oh yeah. We're gonna pass this on. Dad, do you have your magic band on?
I do.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's, what is it? The Millennium Falcon?
Yes.
Oh, I love it. And Mom, what's yours? Minnie. So cute. Here we go.
Our next stop will be Pop Century.
Okay, we're here. We're at Pop. We just got on the bus. I cannot wait to check in and see it with the Christmas tree, all the Christmas decorations already. So magical. We have made it to Pop Century. Bryce, are you excited to be back at Pop Century? Second time here. He's only been to Disney once before this, and we stayed at Pop, and we're back again. I'm so excited. But I love it with all the Christmas decorations. It's just so magical. I can't believe it. We're gonna go and get our resort mugs to kick off our trip. I cannot believe that I'm about to have a resort mug in my hand and get me a Disney Diet Coke. But let's take a second to look at this Christmas tree. It is beautiful. Like with the light like glaring down on Madison. Madison! Oh, it's so pretty in here. They are doing a little bit of refurbishment in the gift shop, but they just updated the whole food court and I cannot wait to see it. Okay, the new food court looks so good. I do miss like the very classic Pop vibes, but I'm loving all the lighting. I think it's so fun. Oh, it's so fun seeing like something new at Pop. I just love it. The green mug has been chosen. Bryce said green for Christmas. It's so cute. I think I already have this one. No, it looks a little different, but I'm so excited. First Disney Diet Coke of the trip. Here it comes. First Disney Diet Coke. Cheers.
Cheers.
Sip. That is good. We're gonna have about 100 of these before we leave, huh?
Yes.
Mug in hand, bags in hand. We are heading into our building. We're in the 60s building, which is just perfect. It's a great central location. The skyliner is right there. We're gonna go ahead and head in. I'm so excited to see our room. Okay, we just got to our room. I just want to show you guys the view first. So this is our view. The skyliner's like right over there to the side, but we have a beautiful lake view. This is just a standard room. We just requested the 60s building. It is stunning, but we are gonna be in room 5417. So I'm gonna scan my little magic band. Maybe. And in we go to our Pop Century room. It's so nice. Oh, I just love the rooms at Pop Century. They renovated them and they look great. So gonna do a little room tour now. Let's start over here where Bryce is getting his drink ready. So we have this little coffee stand here. We actually have an actual mini fridge in this room. Sometimes they just have a beverage cooler, but this is an actual mini fridge, which is nice. And then you got all the little coffee fixins here, a little drawer. We'll put all of our groceries that we got here. Not all, we didn't get that many, but we'll put our groceries here. And then swinging around this way, you have the TV with a bunch of drawers and some cabinet space here to put miscellaneous things. Yeah, extra pillow down there, blanket, safe right there. That's a huge safe. And then it does say congratulations Mackenzie and Bryce, because technically we're counting this as one of our honeymoons because we haven't taken one for our wedding yet. So this is my version of it because it's at Disney. And then moving this way, we have the bed with the cute little like Art Deco Mickey. I love it. All those pillows will stay on our bed because we sleep with a lot of pillows. This right here is the Murphy bed that pulls down, but we'll leave it out as a little desk. Bryce has his work laptop for the mornings in case he needs to get some work done, and then we can just like eat here, snack here, talk here, vlog here. So that's gonna be great. Back over here, I love these little hooks to hang like our park bag, our ears, jackets, whatever we need. And then we're gonna kind of store our luggage and shoes right here probably. And then the bathroom. Love how bright and happy this bathroom is. I already have my ears on. I'm so excited if you can't tell. But one vanity, but plenty of counter space. And then we have a whole little closet area with hangers, and it's just incredible. Let's see, we have, yeah, blow dryer in there, iron in there. I also really like this counter space right here because you can put a lot of stuff on there without cluttering around the sink. Got more storage down here, so much storage in this room. And then this is the bathroom area, nice tub shower here. And one of the best features is this full body mirror to check your park outfits before you head out the door. So I'm just super excited about this room. I love staying at Pop Century. One, you get the skyliner. Two, it's a value resort, but it's just incredible. I feel like just the vibes here are immaculate. So that is our little room tour. Look at it from this view. It's beautiful. We can see the lake right through there. I just love this. So I think the plan now is to go to the Riviera to get some lunch. It is about 12:10, 12:15 now, and my mom, my dad, and my sister's room was ready as well, but Shane and Mikey's is not ready yet. So we're just gonna hop on the skyliner, go eat lunch at the Riviera, have those fun refill stations for our refillable mugs because they have like the really special fancy kind. Get some lunch and just refresh, recharge a little bit after a long travel morning. And then we'll come back here, unpack, settle in, and get ready to go to Magic Kingdom because we're gonna be doing that, but that's in the next vlog. We're gonna continue on the travel day here. So let's meet up with my family and head to the Riviera. I'm so excited. Also, I wanted to say that we are 3 separate parties, 3 separate rooms, and we requested to be near each other. And so far, we're all in the 60s building on the 4th floor. Not like conjoining rooms or like right next to each other, but we are on the same floor in the same building, which makes things a lot easier. So thank you, Disney, for accommodating that request. We've made it to my parents' room. Oh, here's Madison.
Look inside.
Happy birthday, Madison. Woo! Celebrating her birthday. Dad, y'all got a good view from y'all's room.
I love my view. Got a nice view of the pool, and there's actually people swimming in it.
Well, they're heated. They're heated pools.
I know.
So I mean, why not?
I'm not getting in it.
And we're in our jackets.
And I'm in my jacket. I'm freezing already.
First elevator ride all together. Woo! About to hop on the skyliner for the first time. Shane, are you afraid of heights?
No, but I don't like that we're going over the wall.
Oh, it's fine. We'll be fine. It's safe. The safest ride in Disney.
One bolt comes off and you sink.
Oh, don't be so negative.
Permanezcan sentados, supervisen a sus niños y
First time on the skyliner. Yay! You gotta put your hands up. Hands up.
It's like a ride.
That was nice, huh?
No.
All right, so when you're staying at Pop Century, you take the Skyliner to Caribbean Beach, and from there you can hop on the Skyliner to Epcot or hop on the Skyliner to Hollywood Studios. The Skyliner at Epcot will take us to the Riviera, which is where we're going to get lunch, and I am hungry, so I cannot wait.
For your safety, please remain seated.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Made it to the Riviera. Such a pretty day out too. We've all been talking about how nice it is. Wearing jackets and long pants, leggings, jeans.
Came from the snow.
Yeah, Shane and Mikey came from the snow, so it's a lot better than that for sure. Look at these beautiful murals. I will never get over them. I think these are such a good touch. The Peter Pan one, and then the Tangled one down here. And then with the Christmas decorations, oh my gosh, the Riviera is just lighting up. It is beautiful. And we go into the Riviera. We're gonna hang right and go into Primo Piatto. Oh, look at that tree. Oh my gosh, there's so much Christmas here. I love it. But this is where we're gonna be eating lunch. They have probably the best quick service meal on property menu. Just different things, better things than your standard park food. Park food's still good, but sometimes you need a little bit more, and they have it. Another great thing about the Riviera is the freestyle machines here at Primo Piatto. They're amazing. So we're at Primo Piatto. We just placed a mobile order because they come in to-go containers if you do a mobile order, and we just figured that we might take some back with us. So we hit I'm here, prepare my order, and we're just gonna wait to pick it up. Got our mugs refilled, so we're not paying money for drinks. And just so you guys know, they are all on the dining plan. Bryce and I are going solo. We got some Disney gift cards and some other things that we're gonna use, but they're on the dining plan, so their balance was zero.
Prepaid, actually.
Prepaid, yeah, not zero. Zero now, but not zero before. All right, Bryce and I's food got here. I got the beef bolognese, which I've had before and I love. And then Bryce got the grilled chicken sandwich with the Parmesan fries. Oh no, those are regular fries, just regular fries for Bryce. We're about to dig in. All right, more food has arrived. I think Mom and Madison both got the grilled chicken sandwich, and we got Parmesan herb fries on theirs, which these are so good. Mom said I could have a couple, so she's the best. She's the best. So we finished up at Primo Piatto. It was good, really good. Yeah, nice little sit down, nice environment. And now we're just gonna kind of walk around the Riviera a little bit. I wanna show them the coffee shop and everything, and then we'll head back to Pop Century. What is that? You're in the Christmas spirit? Are you gonna get that to wear? It looks cute on you. Here, hold on, let me turn it around so you can see.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's cute, isn't it? Try it on, honey. It's hard to find his.
What is that?
Oh, you like that?
For your safety, please remain seated. Supervise children.
All right, so we made it back to Pop Century, and we were actually heading to Bell Services to pick up our grocery orders that got delivered. Really excited to pick those up so we can get our room nice and stocked. And then I think we're also gonna head and pick up Madison's birthday pin and Shane's first visit button. Like, that's just exciting parts about travel day. I love picking up these things, so I'm having so much fun. So to pick up your grocery orders at Pop Century, you actually come here, which is behind Bell Services on this other side. We're gonna go and pick up our grocery delivery. You can also have it delivered to your room, but we were already out, so we decided to pick it up. Grocery delivery is secured. We picked up my mom, my dad, and my sisters, and then mine and Bryce's, and we're gonna head back to the room. Shane and Mikey went to go get their pins and check on their room to see if it's ready yet. Look at you, Dad. Is that a workout?
I know.
You're getting your steps
on
in.
it, man.
Yeah, getting some workouts in at Disney
right.
before dinner tonight.
That's right. Steakhouse 71.
Oh, yeah.
Looking forward to it.
All right, so we made it back to the room now. We're just gonna do a little bit of unpacking and settling into the room before we head to the park. So we just unloaded our grocery order. I'll show you guys that. And then because we're here for 7 nights, I do like to pretty much fully unpack and put everything in the drawers, organize things in the bathroom, just so I feel like really settled in. And that way when I'm getting ready for the park in the morning, I feel like my process goes a lot smoother. So we're gonna start the unpacking process and settling into our beautiful Pop Century room. It's just, this is bringing me so much joy. I just love being here so much. I'm so happy. Okay, so as far as groceries go, we didn't get very many. We just got some little trail mix and some Pop-Tarts for breakfast. And then down here in our mini fridge, which is so nice that we have a mini fridge, we have some protein shakes, some little Diet Coke and water. My parents got groceries too, and we're gonna kind of divide some of that up in a little bit, but for right now, that's just what we're working with. All right, I just got the resort TV on. Look how beautiful that looks back there. We're heading to Magic Kingdom tonight. That's gonna be a separate vlog, but we gotta finish unpacking and settling it into this room now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my suitcases out. I usually like to put them on that table back there just to unload them so I'm not having to like bend down or putting them on our bed. And then I'm gonna organize everything into these drawers. These are pretty big drawers here at Pop Century. Like, they are pretty deep, like not huge, but you can definitely fit a good amount of stuff in there. So I'm gonna work on that and I will show you guys how I settle into my room at Disney. But like I said, just feeling so happy to be here and so excited that we have a full 7 days ahead of us. It's so amazing. Okay, room is unpacked a little bit. I just like to have all of my electronics out and ready to charge things. That way when I get back to the room after a long park day, they're ready to go. So I have my phone charger, camera charger, electronics pouch, all my ears and my cute little new Wemos to have for the parks. Then over here, Bryce has his phone charger, and then we have our Magic Band chargers there. We did go ahead and unpack into the drawers here, so that's all done. We have our suitcases stored here, and since it is a little bit of a colder trip, like in the 50s, which is cold for us some nights, we have our jackets hung up, and then I just have my park bag because we're just going for a half a park day later, so Bryce is just gonna bring the backpack. And then, like I said, all the suitcases, backpack down here. I do have our checked bag like open down here because my parents need to get some stuff out of it, so I didn't want to pack it away just yet. And then in the bathroom, I just have like our essentials up here, toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, and then we have some things unpacked over here that will kind of settle in as we get into our room. Almost forgot back here on this little hanger here, I have my toiletry bag because I really wanted a hanging toiletry bag for this reason. So I can just like go in and get what I need. It's been great. So that is how I unpack the room. I think unpacking your room and getting settled in on your travel day is so important because it just makes everything easier for the rest of the trip. I feel really good about, my ears are falling down, but I feel really good about just knowing that I'll come back to our room after a park day and everything will have a place and everything will be settled in. But with that being said, obviously I have changed into clothes because we are about to end this travel day vlog here because we're heading to Magic Kingdom. So that'll be the next vlog you see. So be sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss that. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for coming along on this travel day and the kickstart of this new Disney World trip series. I had such a great travel day just being with my entire family here at Disney World. Like, it just feels so special and we haven't even made it to a park yet. So I'm just feeling really lucky and really thankful we get to take this trip together and staying at Pop Century, which is absolutely beautiful and just such great vibes. I love it here so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to the park. I will see you guys in the next vlog for a Magic Kingdom park night. If we're going to Steakhouse 71, I just cannot wait. But thank you so much for watching and I will see you then. Bye!